Let's talk cheese for a minute here. Okay, so the cheese, I've tried many different kinds of cheese to make homemade pizza. I know on YouTube everybody has their own opinion, what's the best. I've tried Polio, I've tried Sargento, the shredded stuff that comes in the bag. I'm going to tell you, everything I've tried, this is the best. This is Boar's Head Deli low moisture whole milk mozzarella cheese. Okay, so just go to any deli that sells Boar's Head products. See if they have this cheese. I'm sure they will. Okay, that's pretty much their house mozzarella. Okay, and ask them to cut off like 3 or 4 inches off the end of the block, and you're gonna take it home, shred it yourself. Okay, nobody's ever given me a hard time with that, and I do it like all the time. It comes out great. So it's great because it's low moisture. It's very firm. Low moisture. It's not gonna have like a lot of water or grease on top of your pizza. Very firm. You can see that's gonna help when you're shredding it. Okay, you can do it in a food processor, fine. I like to hand shred it, so it helps to have a firm cheese. And the last thing, the secret ingredient, so basically there's 3 elements to a pizza. You have the crust, the sauce, and the cheese. In this homemade New Haven style pizza, there's sort of 3 secret weapons, one for each element. Okay, in the dough, it was a high hydration with bread flour. That makes it distinct, different than like a New York style pizza. Okay, so that's the bread, 1. 2, the San Marzano extra sweet tomatoes that we just went over with the sauce. That's the second magic ingredient. And the third is definitely this pecorino Romano imported hard cheese. I have finished grating up the cheese. Okay, I just grated the rest of the pecorino Romano. We're not going to use all of that when we make our pizzas, but it's good to have extra, you know. It's great on pasta, by the way. And this is about a pound of mozzarella cheese. That's going to make a good 2 pizzas. We made enough sauce to make about 3 large pizzas. And you can remember last night we made these dough balls, 3 of them, 2 proofing in the fridge. I'll pop them back in the fridge right now, and the 1 frozen one. So last night, made the dough. Tonight, we prepped the rest of the ingredients, and tomorrow, we're going to make some pizza. See you tomorrow.